Alright, this is a short video on the 2016 Coachmen Freelander 21QB. And this short video will be on how to turn the refrigerator on using propane. So for example, if you're on the roadway and you want the refrigerator to be turned on and you don't want to turn the generator on, this is how you turn the refrigerator on or keep it turned on. So assuming that we have no power source, we go to the RV. The propane tank is in here. And make sure this knob here is open all the way. So right now it's open all the way. So the propane is open. And then you go to where the steer is down here at the knob. Make sure that it turns on. Position. This is powering using the power from the battery, which is located in here. So once you do that, you come up here to the refrigerator and you click on and you hear gas, and now your refrigerator is on. So while you're driving, you could have your refrigerator still turned on. All right, so this is the end of the short clip.